So, think about moving to Flower Mound, Texas, or perhaps you're a big Toll Brothers fan, or fans of both. We have a fantastic model home that we are going to get into today. This thing is 5 bedrooms, 6 bath, 6,300 square feet on 3/4 of an acre. Starting price is about 1.7-ish, not including lot premium. So you're probably looking at a couple $1 million. But my gosh, you should see this, 6,300 square feet. In fact, this model home is actually for sale right now. So you could buy it with all the furniture, all the upgrades, everything for about 2.8. But let's get in.
Let's do it.
All right, right off the entryway, the first thing I want to notice is point out are the dual staircases. Right, and then to your right is your dining area.
So look at this dining area. Look at the beams up above. They've done this cool stone wall, which is really nice. This room has like a really nice feel to it. I'm not even sure I would use it as a dining room. It feels like I could use it for so many other things.
Well, it'd be a cool secondary office.
Yeah.
In today's world, because not only do you have the office space or dining area here, you have that as well on the other side. But what I want to show you is come on into the family area. I love how they have this little cutout. That's not the office space I was talking about. But come on in, look at this, check it out.
I mean, welcome home. This is absolutely fantastic. Look at the size of this island. I mean, if you look at it from over here without the big log in the middle,
that log is like 5 feet.
Yeah, I mean, this thing's like the size of a dance floor. You can really.
I mean, this is bigger than some secondary bedrooms.
This is a lot of Christmas cookie making right here, I'm telling you. But look at this kitchen. It's just beautiful. And I love how open it is to the dining area right there. And you've got the family room right there. So you can have just everybody doing their thing and you're still in the middle of it. I just think that's fantastic. Did you get a chance though to look at that wall back there with the tile going all the way up to the ceiling? I mean, it is beautiful.
Is that your favorite part of this room?
Oh, well, look at all the beams. You don't usually see that many beams in a room.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
And then of course you have the 2 sliders, which I bet you were gonna go.
That's my favorite part. That's what I was gonna say. Look at these sliders. It just covers the whole length of the whole family room and kitchen. Black, of course, which is very in vogue. Trace, what's over there in that corner outside that breakfast nook?
Well, I'm going to take you on over so you can check it out. But here is just a secondary bedroom, not bathroom. I'll show you the bathroom in a second, but this bedroom is massive. I mean, this would be a great place for guests, for children, whatever, but I see visitors coming and not wanting to leave is the problem. Because look at these. This bathroom's huge for a guest bath.
It's a secondary master bedroom.
It really is. It really is. And speaking of the master bedroom, you want to take them on over to take a look at that?
Sure. Welcome to the master bedroom. Come on in. Look at how big these ceilings are. I mean, these are massive. What, 18 feet probably? Nice beams, huge bed. Still does not get swallowed up at all in this room. Want to point out all the natural light. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 big windows, and then windows on top, all bringing in all that natural light. And then right over here is your ensuite that Patrice is going to show you.
Look at all the good stuff. So look at this bathroom. I mean, first of all, you got a little alcove area where you can come in, and you've got this nice closet with a window. So I love closets with a window. I wish mine had one. You got this little.
Well, that could be yours.
That could be mine.
Right?
This little niche area, which is kind of nice. You've got this massive, massive shower. Look at that thing.
It has has 2 seats in case, you know, you get tired
Walking from one
from
end to
walking
the other.
from one end to the other. This thing's huge. But if that was Patrice's closet because she wants the window, then I'll take this one. Right? Plenty of good size for my shorts and t-shirts. I think I'll be plenty of happy there.
I'll take them both. How about that? And then you know what we forgot to look at, which is a definite for us, is the snack closet. We didn't go into the kitchen and look at the snack closet. All right, so they have a lot of stuff in here, but you can kind of get an idea of the snack closet. Pretty decent size. Could fit a lot of snacks in there. And then also the laundry room. I'll let Andy show you the laundry room.
Well,
because he doesn't see those very often.
What? You give me a bad rep. This is my favorite room in the whole entire house. Right? Here's the laundry area. You got your sink. You got your fancy star tiles. You got your, of course, whatever these things are.
Obviously they're storing stuff. Yeah.
Not sure what those are, but you do have plenty of space to get work done. So, I mean, what a terrific house. So, anyway, should we go upstairs?
We should go upstairs.
All right. So now we just walked up the double staircase, and now we are upstairs, obviously. So there's 3 bedrooms, media room plus a game room upstairs. And you guys see how the size of these secondary bedrooms. But you don't want me to show you. Let's have Patrice show you.
And I don't like standing next to railing because I have a fear of heights, so that's why I left that to Andy. But here is this amazing game room. They put a nice table in so you can sit around and play board games or whatever, but obviously
this has got a waterfall edge.
you can take this out and put a pool table, do whatever you want. Nice area for crafts with your kids, or yes.
No, pool table.
Yes. Put a pool table. But
table for
if
sure.
you want to keep this in, it's got a lot of great things to do. I mean, I can think of many things I could do with this. But right behind you is also the media room. So all those times when you want to have your friends over and watch some movies, this is a great room to do that. Perfect size. They've just used a big TV. You could put a projector in here with no problem. Not a big deal. But back here are some more bedrooms. So this one, that's the bathroom for all the guests to use when they're using that game room in the media room. And then here's one of the secondary bedrooms, which is huge. Obviously it can fit a lot. It's got 2 closets. That one and one over there. I mean, I know my kids would have loved to have 2 closets. That's for darn sure.
All right, so let's see this secondary bed. Now this thing's huge. Yeah, it's got its own little entryway. Got your bathroom with your closet. And look at the size of this. Patrice, what would you say the size of this room is?
Oh, probably 13 by 15.
Yeah, I mean it's huge.
Easy.
It's a big room.
It is very big.
Now that we've got the boys covered, let's go to the princess room.
I mean, check this out. This is absolutely amazing. Just amazing. And then it has a huge bathroom with a closet.
I don't know, I'm not gonna go full weight on this thing. Anyway, it's built for a princess, not
you.
a goober. So, anyway, let's actually show the backyard. All right, so now we are in this backyard, and oh my heart. This is a patio envy, Patrice, would you say?
Oh man, like I'm taking it all in. You have so many different levels to this backyard. Obviously, back there's room for a pool. They've got a nice little water feature here, the little seating area. They've got the covered patio right there. And then I'll let Andy take you and show you his favorite part.
Outdoor kitchen. Let's go. We got a fire pit area. And then finally a Texas outdoor kitchen. And what I mean by that is, yes, everybody knows, everybody's got your grill. This is a given, but you've got to have a smoker. You've got the green egg right here in Texas, right? I mean, everybody's got to have that. This is a pretty nice, look, you can see the green grass area. This is obviously set up for a pool. It's just waiting for that. And again, this
Especially
is
today when it's 101 degrees out.
yeah, this is a very cool Toll Brothers Flower Mound, North Texas home. If this is something that you like, make sure you give us a call, text, email, however it is that you want to get a hold of us.
Yep.
Hit that dream home form. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.